open up this so my horses can come out. Today's a big day. Maybe someone can come and ride you today, horsey. And you too. Now go and have some breakfast. Yay! Oh, hello. Oh, hello today. I'm here to ride a horse. Oh, yes. We have plenty of horses and even donkeys for you to ride. Just pick out your horse. What is this place? What is this? Excuse me? Oh, hi, I'll be right with you. And you can just pick your horse. The service here, and it's so muddy here. These are high quality shoes. They're $9,000, and they're getting muddy. Excuse me. Okay, I'll pick up my horse. Oh, look at this cute one. Can you help me now? Sure. Yes. What is this place? What is this? This is a horse stable, like a horse farm. And I take care of horses over here and stuff. Would you like a tour? Fine. So here's the place where all the horses usually hang out and stuff. This is where they eat. They just eat grass. Boring, not even fun. And over here's some bigger horses and stuff. They just hang around here when it's nighttime and stuff. Stables, boring, not fun at all. Yeah, this is where all of their tacks and saddles and stuff are. Here's some milk for the baby horses known as foals, and here's some food for them. And here's this big giant tree, and the horses just like to keep some shade. Boring, not fun at all. So, would you like to ride a horse? Sure. That sounds kind of fun. Just pick out your horse. Okay. This tiny foal is too small. This big one, this bold and big one. I choose this one. Okay, I'll get her saddle. Where's the saddle? I want to put it on since I'm gonna be riding it. Here you go. Do you have like a better one, like a gold or silver one? No, this is the only one we have for now. Fine. Just on her. Okay, I'm on. Why isn't this thing moving? Oh, I need to do a special thing before it moves. Oh, okay. Well, just do it already. Okay.
Ready, go!
Oh my! Where did she go? When will she come back? She'll be back sooner or later. Let's just enjoy this lovely view of the horses and stuff. Okay. Can somebody help me? Anybody help me? I don't complain about this service anymore.